Morning people, welcome back to Wingin-It! Welcome back to a whole week on the MG. This is all the mess from the MG, nice empty workshop, devoted to it this week. It's gonna be painted, trust me. I've told Littlers I'm gonna have weekend off, so it's gotta be. Let's go in the booth and have a little look. Morning Big Al.
You alright?
Had your morning poo yet?
No.
Don't lie. I can smell it.
It's cold. That was you.
That was me, yeah. Right, the plan. Just going around with some tape, finding little pinholes, any bits that need a little bit of filler just to finish it off. We're going to do the filler work, or putty, no, probably filler. Blow it off, then we're going to guide coat it all, block it all down with 180, red scotch, all the masking staying on, and then we're going to clean it and 2-pack prime it. That's what's happening today. Going to be a bit of a long one today because we've got to wait about anyway. So yeah, let's get on.
Right. Shall I get the doobies?
Oh.
The fucking black dusty shit.
No.
I don't even know what you're marking. I can't see nothing. Yeah. Well, all these other ones. Oh right, Sunday. This is because you didn't putty at the time.
Fuck you, man.
Oh, fucking hell. I hate these. I can never get fucking warmed up. One of them people that until I'm nice and warm, have my hands out in the pockets, his pocket just annoying. Fuck, that's hot.
We've got the MG owner just come in. He's picking a colour. Said to him, as long as it ain't silver, you can have it. Let's go and see him. The owner of the most famous MG in town. As he chose well. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I was gonna, but I'm not gonna. It's Audi colour. It's not red. He's not a purist. He said he wants it the colour that he wants it, and I agree with that. Yeah, do it what you want. It's your motor. He's planning on keeping it. He's had all his work done. Nice little investment for him. It's going to look sweet. Ready in there. I am unlocking the mixing room. one hand because I'm cool on it. What are we putting on it? I'm going to give it a quick coat of etch primer for all the breakthroughs. Give that, probably let it sit for half hour while I doss about doing something else, and then a couple of coats there. Right, coat of that. It's quite pissy. I haven't used it a lot, so I don't know what it's like, but that's the latest one I've got. I normally use that, but that's run out and all gone lumpy and shit in the bottom. I am on to this 2-pet primer. Gonna chuck them together, make up some kind of grey, give it a couple of nice coats, and then look at this prick. Hello mate! What are you doing? I've got deja vu. What? How's your bumhole?
Feeling a bit rough.
Look at that, that is runny. You get no build with that one at all. What does that sound to there? Don't know. Chromo free etch. I like the etches with a bit of build, that's why I use the Tetrasil one. But this one is more like a wash primer, pissy, and it probably does the job, but no build. No build. Oh, go on Al. Go on Al, rub me baby. Shall we give it some slow, sexy music? Just a quickie while I remember, if you're spraying epoxy, wear a full face chavvy. Look at these fucking things. Look, where my mask sits. Dirty bastard. They're not spots, they're like lumps. Cool.